Hi, in this exercise we're going to create an orthographic projection of the object shown. Before we begin, we need to identify what is going to be our front view. Once we do that, then we know what our top view and our right side view are going to be. So let me go ahead and do that. The first step in creating an orthographic projection is to draw in the visible features of the front view. If you're having trouble visualizing what features are actually included in the front view, it's a good idea to shade in the surface that you can see from that angle. So let's go ahead and shade in the surfaces that will be visible in the front view. It's also helpful to highlight the lines that we're actually going to draw in the front view. Let's go ahead and do that. Imagine viewing the object directly from the front view. What will you see? In this case, you'll see a rectangle. There'll be a horizontal line going through the rectangle and a short vertical line. This is what we should expect the front view to look like. Let's go ahead and draw it. If you are following along on your worksheet, take time now to draw in the front view, and then when you're ready to proceed, select the Continue button. Now that we have the front view created, let's move on to the top view. Again, we want to shade in the surfaces so that we can get familiar with what the top view is going to look like. Now, where will the top view go? Well, it goes directly above the front view. And to align it in the proper way, we need to create projectors off of every edge and corner of the front view. So we're going to go ahead and do those two things. Now let's create the projectors. Now let's draw a limiting rectangle for the top view. A limiting rectangle is nothing more than a rectangle that has the maximum length and maximum width of the top view. So then we know exactly where the top view goes and the maximum size of it. So let's do that. Now imagine that you're looking at the object directly from the top view. How is it going to look? Alright, now let's sketch it. When you're ready to proceed, select the Continue button. Alright, now with the front and top view completed, the only view left is the right side. So let's get familiar with how it might look and shade in the surfaces. The next step is to create projectors. We're going to create horizontal projectors off of every edge and corner of the front view, and then we're going to create a 45-degree angled line projector. And then off of the top view, we're going to project over and down. This is going to give us our exact location for the right side view. So let's go ahead and do that. Take a look at the object directly from the right side. How is the right side view going to look? Well, we have a step feature, and then we have an angled surface. That angled surface looks pretty long. Will it look that long in the right side view? No, because we're not looking directly perpendicular to that angled surface. The surface in the right side view will be foreshortened. So let's go ahead and sketch the right side view. Well, that's the basic procedure for creating an orthographic projection. Of course, you want to erase the projector lines. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next exercise. Bye.